Welcome! Today we'll analyze temperature data from Vancouver and Winnipeg to understand their climate differences. Let's look at the monthly temperature data for both cities. Vancouver's temperatures are shown here, and Winnipeg's temperatures are shown here. Let's calculate Vancouver's average annual temperature first. We add all 12 monthly temperatures. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 17 plus 17 plus 14 plus 10 plus 6 plus 4 equals 116. Then divide by 12 months to get 9.67 degrees Celsius. Now for Winnipeg, adding the temperatures, minus 18 minus 16 minus 8 plus 3 plus 11 plus 17 plus 20 plus 19 plus 13 plus 7 minus 4 minus 14 equals 30. Dividing by 12 gives us 2.5 degrees Celsius. Next, let's find the temperature range for each city. For Vancouver, the highest temperature is 17, and the lowest is 2, giving us a range of 15 degrees. For Winnipeg, the highest is 20 and the lowest is minus 18, giving us a much larger range of 38 degrees. Let's visualize this data on a graph. The blue line shows Vancouver's temperatures throughout the year, while the red line shows Winnipeg's temperatures. Notice how Winnipeg has much more extreme variations between summer and winter. This difference in temperature range tells us about the climate type. Winnipeg has a continental climate, characterized by large temperature variations between seasons. In contrast, Vancouver's climate is moderated by the Pacific Ocean, resulting in milder temperatures throughout the year. In conclusion, while Vancouver maintains relatively stable temperatures throughout the year, Winnipeg experiences much more extreme seasonal variations, making it the city with the more continental climate.